Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the spring inspired glitter look. So I'm trying to for this week, 5 days, I'm going to be creating all glitter looks. I don't know how I feel about that because I'm really not a fan of glitters. Idea is actually inspired by this glitter because I love this glitter so much, and I actually did a review on it. And so, because I'm so inspired by this glitter, so I decided to just dedicate 5 days of makeup look inspired by glitters, all glitters. So we're gonna see. So you guys gonna be getting overload of glitter makeup look back to back, but they will be very creative and different. And I know I'm liking this. It's like a spring inspired look. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling the ombre lips. I'm feeling every vibe that I'm getting. If you like this makeup look, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, all that good stuff. You know what the you know what the deal is. And don't forget to watch my other videos, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the button, the subscribe button. Watch my next video. I'm gonna leave my cards for actually this glitter reviews, so don't forget to check that out. And thank you so much. Stay tuned and keep on watching if you want to know how to create this video, and let me know what you think. Bye. So for this makeup look, I'm going to be using this palette. Is from Beauty Glaze. I got this from eBay, and I need to do a review on this. It's called the Glitz Glam eyeshadow palette. It's 5 matte eyeshadow color and 5 glitter color, and they mainly from gold, silver to pink color, and that's how it looks like. So for my first transition color, I'm going to be using this really bright pink color. Is really pink and bright, but I'm going to be using this as my first transition color. I'm going to place this right on the upper crease, and I'm going to blend in the windshield swiping motion. Shadow palette is so beautiful. You can use it for any kind of look. And now for my second transition color, I'm going to be using this burnt, it's like a burnt orange color. Yep, right there. It is so matte and so pigmented, it's a lot of fallouts, but it's really pigmented. Look at that. It is so pigmented. This, you can put this all over the lid and the crease area. It doesn't really matter, but just make sure you blend it out. I'm going to go back with my first transition color to blend out. And now for my third color, I'm going to use this. It's like a red. And I'm going to place that right on the outer and all the way to the inner of my crease. And of course, I'm going to go back to blend. And now I'm going to cut my crease. And I'm going to be using my Black Radiance concealer. I'm going to be taking that lighter color right there. So I'm gonna use that reddish color, reddish burgundy color, and I'm gonna place that right here just to blend that. And then I'm gonna blend. And now for the glitter part, I'm gonna place this on my lid, so I need my glitter glue.
Where is my glitter glue?
Oh, I don't need a glitter glue, cause I got this. I don't need a glitter glue. I don't need a glitter glue. I don't need a glitter glue. Can you say glitter glue 5 times? Glitter glue. Glitter glue. Glitter glue. Wow. Wow.
Glitter glue, glitter glue, glitter glue, glitter glue, glitter glue. I'm smart.
I'll be packing this on my lid. So I'm gonna use this brush and kind of So I decided not to go with a wing liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my face. Now guys, so in the beginning of the video, my volume or my voice, so I was really toned down. Quick thing, whenever I'm like my volume or my vibe is really not vibrant, I'm gonna use that word. It's either because of 2 reasons. One, because I'm not feeling it, like I'm feeling bad that day, or I'm just not feeling my makeup. Or 2, which is most likely the reason, is because so when my roommate is home, like I don't know, for some reason I don't like to be loud, or like I don't want her to hear me. I don't know if that makes sense. I feel like either I'm disturbing her or I don't want her in my business. I'm the only one, like I literally don't like doing my makeup around people, or I don't like doing video around people. I don't know why I feel like that. It's just me. So if you see the fluctuation, it's because of that. And now I'm hyped because she just left the house, so I'm just letting you know, okay? I am not bipolar. There's a reason, and that's the reason. I kind of like it, but I'm gonna add a little bit touch of color just to, you know, pop it out a little bit more, and especially as spring around the corner, so I'm gonna be going in with this LA colors, and I think I'm actually gonna go in with that green color. So I'm gonna place this right under my eyes. So for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this Nicka K Duo blush highlighter, and I'm gonna be using that pinkish. Ooh, I'm gonna set my face first, and you already know what the deal is. I'm gonna be using this setting spray to set my face. So for my lips, I'm gonna line my lip up with this black pencil. And now I'm gonna add this ColourPop liquid lipstick and zipper. I'm gonna go in with this it's Absolute New York And the color is in Razzle. And I'm going to place this right in the middle of my lips to create an ombre effect.